everyone, and welcome back to PinkPantha Productions. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make LPS clothes with loom bands. Here with me today, I have Brittany, who's actually starring in the upcoming video, LPS Mystery, and Jasper. Oh, he actually is too, so I forgot about that. Well, anyways, let's get going. For this first one, all you will need is a loom band. First, we will be making this really simple collar. So first of all, you get your LPS and your loom band. So I'm going to be using blue. Then you put the loom band around your LPS's neck so it looks like this. Then just repeat. And there we go. That's collar number 1. Now time for collar number 2. The things you will need are 1 loom band and an S-clip. Second, we will be making this stylish collar. So I have my LPS and my loom band and S-clip. So what you're going to do is put this through that hole so it looks like this, right? Then all you need to do is put it around their neck. And voila! Another collar done. This last one is a bit tricky, but I think you guys can handle it. What you'll need is 1 loom band. Third, we'll be making this slightly difficult collarish thing. So just, oh my gosh, sorry about that. Put it around like that. Once again, this was like this. Then you bring it to the back and kind of twist it over so it's like this sort of thing. Then make a double, so like twist it underneath. Then bring it over. It should look like this. Next, bring that back one, so that one is just twisted over, and bring it over one of the paws, so it should look like that. Then do the same to the next one. And that is our last and final collar. To be honest, it's not much of a collar. It's kind of reminds me of a jumpsuit for some reason. But yeah, anyways. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And please come back for more. And just to make sure you don't miss out, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on PinkPantha Productions.